Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
Top the best hammer drill SDS-Plus reviews 2025. The Makita DHR282Z36VLXT brushless rotary hammer drill delivers powerful 3.2J impact energy for demanding tasks. Powered by dual 18V batteries, it features SDS-Plus chuck, AWS Bluetooth connectivity, and anti-vibration technology. Ideal for concrete, wood, and steel drilling, it ensures efficiency, durability, and comfort for professional construction work.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.